Hi there. So in this video I am showing you how to edit this template on Mailchimp campaign editor. To edit this template, don't click on the edit button directly. This is for development purpose only. To make edits on this template, you have to go to create campaign. Then you have to click on edit design. Here you go. This is the template. Uh, so to edit anything, just you have to hover over on it and click on the edit button like this, and you will be able to edit it from here. This is a white color font, so you will see it over the white area. So um, you can just insert your own text here, and it will be added here. Suppose I am adding new text, and it's added here. You see, if you see, it's difficult to write here because this is white over the white background. You can click on this area and insert your new text here and click on save and close. To change the images, if you think this image is not in high resolution, then you can change it with your own high resolution image. To edit this image, you need to go to edit option and then click on replace. But here is a limitation. You have to keep in mind that uh, the the value you see here 600, the value you see here 220, the value you see here 128. You have to maintain these widths for any new images. Suppose you want to replace this image, you have to upload one with 600 pixels of width. Height can be any, but you have to keep in mind that the width needs to be 600 pixels. For this, you have to keep in mind that it needs to be 109 pixel, this one needs to be 222 pixels. But if you have an image that exceeds this number, then you have to insert that value manually here. This is a very important part to change the images. So if you want to update this image with a very high resolution one, then you have to go to the edit, replace, add your new image from here, upload your new image here, upload your new image from here, and finally go to setting and insert this number 600 here, 600 here, and it should be marked, and then go to save and close. Don't forget to do this, otherwise the sizes will make issues with some clients. For this one, the same rule applies. Click on the edit button and replace with your new image. The third step is go to setting and insert 222 and 7 close. So these sections are clonable, like you see. You can click on the plus sign to add more sections like that. You can click on plus sign to add more sections and add your new images here, new images and data here. You can link an image with any link you want. Click on the edit button, click on the link and insert your new link here. And that's it. If you don't want a specific section on the template, if you want to remove a section, suppose I want to remove this section, so you need to click on the cross eye option here. Or suppose you don't want this section, you can click on the cross eye here, and it will be hidden and will not go with the main campaign you send. Okay, that's it. Let me know if you have any other questions. You can comment or message me in the inbox or any other page. That's all for now. Thank you.